welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's a new week. We are starting. Good morning. All is well. How are y'all? Hope y'all are doing great as well. So today I have a lot of running around to do because I am organizing for my birthday photo shoot. You all know Auntie Rona came and kind of dampened some plans. So what I decided to do this year is to do my birthday photo shoot. And basically call her George, because I ain't gonna do nothing else. I ain't going nowhere. Like, I'm very, very, very paranoid. So me going in somebody's place, like that's a whole no. That's a whole no. So I'm just gonna do a cute little photo shoot and call her George. So I'm just going to collect some of the items and get some stuff ready. Cause the next thing is I need to make sure I could get them. So when I go today, I'll see what goes on. But y'all, I'm gonna take it along with me. Yeah, the first stop is the drugstore. I am in the car editing today's video to put up for y'all. Y'all see the commitment? Like, do y'all see it? Okay. So I'm just waiting on that to export and then to upload to YouTube, drop my thumbnail and let that go live for y'all.
Yeah. Shout out Tyler Beats. Shout out Huff Gang. We came this far, so we gon' kick back and let it ride out. Yeah. Hold up. BDay's second album, Beta and Alpha. I'm bravest. I take to the stage and I spout loud, invading the game with a name. About time. All the haters finally let it play. About time. All the babes go crave about protect. Already wildin'. I just skipped the 4 or 5 and she fed me all lies, so I fed her the truth. She ain't really worth it, cut her off like a curfew. Summer 17, got the beats and the herb too. Rips in my jeans flow, iller than the bird flu. Marley in the waiters, all I do is serve you. Talk shit, nah homie, you ain't got the nerve to. In and out lanes on the interstate. I know it never changed, just the interface. That mean the glow up, I will never grow up. Concrete go up, that's what happened when I blow up. Late night microphone blessing. Late night my gosh.
Good morning y'all, it's a new day. Y'all, I could not come back to y'all yesterday because I was just like zooming in and out of town and zooming in and out of the mall. I just didn't have time to take up my phone to do no vlogging. Like, I'm real sorry. I humbly apologize, but I just could not do it. Tongue and other people, I was not seeing what I wanted, and yeah, I mean, I ended up getting everything that I needed, but I had to make some tweaks, mainly to the butterflies. I get everything else, but mainly to the butterflies, like, yeah. And then when I went through to the mall, I see the butterflies that I wanted, and I was like, but I already buy some butterflies in Meet All, which is on Henry Street, so I'll just make the two of them work. So it'll be 2 different shoots of butterflies, basically. So what I'm going to show y'all is that Payless and Shawholics have sale going on all year. It's so beautiful. And sis had no shoes. Sis had 2 pair of shoes that she used to wear all the time, and them 2 pair of shoes going through. So sis decided, since she don't do nothing for herself half the time, why not get herself some shoes? So I'm going to show you all the shoes that I bought. So this first one I got from American Eagle. This is from Payless, and it's just this simple brown flats. Lamadas call it pallet, man. But I like them because they're very comfortable, and it's just a slip on your foot. This next one is also from Payless. It is a nude. This is so cute on. It's a nude heel, and it kind of have like a kind of suede feel here. And this is the heel here. Y'all, this heel is so comfortable. Like, I put it on, I was like, yeah. The next 3 pairs is from Shawholics. And the first pair I got was another flats. This is it. It is very simple, you know. A simple black flats, just to check on my foot to go where I to go. The next pair of shoes is our heels. Earlier, when I saw these heels, the first person I saw with these heels was Ella from This Is Ella's. And I was like, oh my god, that looks so nice. And if, or let's see how nice this shoe is on, like, oh my goodness. And look, it have a red bottoms. So it's like, you know, cute. I could say I own a red bottoms. Kicks. And then I bought these ankle boots. They're just so nice. So like I have the taller one to this. But then when I saw the short one, I was like, yes, sis. This more functional, so I can wear this like more of it. Making lime juice. Limey, limey, lime, lime, lime. Today is cheat day. I have not eaten flour in like a while. Like it's been a hot minute. But I have pizza. This is the Veggie Max from Mario's, and it's covered with mushrooms, pineapple, and soy chunks. Ooh, this is so good. So I'm going to devour this and look at some YouTube videos. And that'll be the end of this evening. Babes, and welcome back to the vlog. It's a new day. So it is after 8 at the moment in the morning, and I have work for 10. I am going to work out this morning because I don't feel like working out tonight when I finish work, because I'm finishing work at 7, and I'm realizing that like the later I exercise is the more I don't want to. So like for the past 2 days I did not exercise. I know that's bad. That's like so bad. That's so bad. But today would mark the start of the second month of me exercising. So it's not too bad, but I say not bad. And then yesterday sis went ham in some pizza, as you all would have seen. And of course sis is now bloated and just feeling So yeah, but I was just feeling fit. So such is life. This is how it goes. It goes up and down, round and round, and that's just all life goes. So I am in my workout fit, boom, and I'm going to work out, and then afterwards get ready for work. Your sis here could go in like 2 cane rows now without any kind of help from anything. You're like, look, I mean, they're a little janky because my hair is thick, and to put my thick hair into 2 cane row is a little, you know. It was plenty work. So yeah, but look, girl, yeah, I'm so happy. So anyways, so let me go and exercise, and I will come back. Workout complete. So I just have on a face mask. You know, gotta keep the skin looking popping, and I'm trying to finish out this face mask because I do not like it. And I'm drinking my protein shake. So that's what I'm doing. I have an hour again until work starts, so I just go and chillax and get myself in a frame of mind to deal with these people.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake.
Hello munchkins, I can't remember if I spoke to you all this morning or not. I don't think so, you know, but there's a new day. Sis now finished working out, all they are born. Sis is burnt, okay? But sis legs starting to look real good. So that's a good sign, The tummy still there, exactly the same way I see the other day in my last week's Saturday vlog. I reached a stage now where it's gonna be real like concentrated ab work to get my stomach to where I want it and to lose that top portion of stubborn tummy fat. Like the majority go up, but those always had that last layer that just be like, we not going nowhere, boo. But by November, please, Lord, should be gone. Anyways, y'all, so let me go and bathe and thing, make my little protein shake, and I'm gonna come back to y'all because I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, I think. So, yeah, tomorrow I have some rounds to make. Wait till tomorrow is. Oh my goodness, this vlog has to go up tomorrow. Wow. Okay, so, because today's Wednesday now, boy, so let me, go and pay that fresh number and we go end off this vlog, right? Hey, y'all, hey. So, I am here to end off this week's vlog. Y'all, like, I didn't realize, I mean, I realized it was Wednesday, but I didn't realize it was Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday, and this vlog needs to go up tomorrow. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. To all of my new subscribers, y'all, I see you, and I have a really bomb giveaway coming up as we hit 2,000. Like, we are only, how much people are we? I think like 69 people away, or 60, just how much I have? I think I had 67 people away from 2,000 subscribers. Y'all, share up, like up, comment up, engage, get the content out there so we can reach that little milestone. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys soon. And yeah, when y'all seeing this is Thursday, and then we have Friday and Saturday videos to go. So I'ma see y'all in the next one.